Welcome, everyone. Let's talk about SAP testing. It's like quality control for your software. We ensure things work smoothly, just like checking if your morning coffee machine is working before you desperately need it. It helps businesses avoid costly mistakes and keep systems reliable. Trust me, you don't want surprises in software. You want surprises in birthday party. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ever wondered how massive companies keep their operations in sync? Enter SAP. It's the mastermind behind managing everything from HR to finance. Think of it as the brain of a company. Without it, chaos reigns. If you've ever been stuck in a long queue because the system crashed, you know why SAP matters. SAP testing isn't just one thing. It's a whole buffet of tests. Functional testing, make sure the system does what it's supposed to. Non-functional testing, check speed and security. Imagine using an ATM. You expect it to give money, but also to be fast and safe. That's SAP testing at work. Like building a house, SAP testing follows a life cycle. First, we plan, because no one wants a kitchen in the bathroom. Then we test things, execute checks, and finally ensure everything is polished. A proper life cycle ensures software runs like a dream instead of a nightmare. SAP isn't just one big system. It's made up of different modules like finance, HR, and supply chain. Each needs testing, just like different car parts. If your brakes work but the engine doesn't, you're going nowhere fast. Data validation makes sure everything is correct, because sending an invoice for 1 million instead of 100 is not a fun mistake. Integration ensures different systems talk to each other. Security protects against hackers. And performance testing ensures everything runs like a high-speed train. SAP testers have their own toolbox. HP OM organizes test cases. SAP TAO automates testing. And Load Runner stress tests the system. Imagine testing a bridge. Load Runner is the heavy truck driving over it to see if it holds up. Automation is a lifesaver. Why manually test when software can do it for you? It speeds things up, prevents human errors, and handles large-scale tests effortlessly. Think of it as self-driving cars for testing, minus the occasional crash. SAP testing isn't always smooth sailing. Business processes are complex. Integration can be messy, security risks exist, and updates never stop. But with proper testing strategies, it's like taming a wild horse. Hard work, but totally worth it. Testing SAP is like checking a parachute before jumping. Miss one step, and it's a long way down. We start by understanding the business processes, ensuring we know what we're testing. Reusable test scripts save time, and automation is the magic wand for efficiency. Finally, validating data integrity keeps your reports from turning into horror stories. Let's dive into these best practices. Designing test cases is like writing a recipe. You need clear steps, ingredients, and expected results. We start with defined objectives, ensuring our tests have purpose. Covering both positive and negative scenarios helps catch surprises. Structured test cases ensure clarity, and traceability keeps us aligned with business needs, because nobody wants a surprise failure, right? Managing defects is like playing detective. You find the culprit, document the crime, and track the case until it's solved. Categorizing by severity helps prioritize fixes. Clear documentation prevents confusion, and tracking resolution ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Trend analysis helps avoid repeating mistakes, because nobody likes déjà vu in software testing. Performance testing is like preparing for a marathon. You don't want your system to collapse halfway. Finding bottlenecks ensures smooth operations. Scalability supports future growth. And simulating user loads gives a reality check. Optimizing response time keeps users happy, because no one likes waiting. This is where theory meets reality. Testing SAP FICO ensures financial transactions make sense, while SAP keeps inventory in check. Integration testing ensures different modules talk to each other smoothly, and finding data discrepancies prevents chaos, because mismatched numbers and missing inventory are the last things you want. The future of SAP testing is exciting. AI-driven automation is making testing smarter. Cloud-based solutions are on the rise, and continuous testing is the new norm. If you're in SAP testing, the career growth is promising. Jump aboard now before the train leaves. That's a wrap. We covered key SAP testing practices, explored real-world testing scenarios, and looked into future trends. The journey of learning never stops, so keep exploring. And now, time for questions. Ask me anything. I promise I won't run away. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.